In the chaos of our fast-paced lives, finding the tranquil embrace of sleep can seem like an elusive dream. But what if I told you that nestled within the gentle arms of nature lies the secret to serene slumber? Welcome, my dear friends, to a journey deep into the enchanting science of nature's sounds for sleep. Within the sanctuary of our minds, a symphony of thoughts and emotions constantly plays. Stress, anxiety, and the ceaseless digital cacophony often leave us yearning for serenity, especially when the day fades.